So today we are going to begin with the formula for solving quadratic equation. Now children, we have a polynomial ax square plus bx plus c. See children, I am saying the word polynomial. When equal to 0, it becomes the quadratic equation. Right? So if this particular polynomial, if we divide by a, if a is not equal to 0, we can divide it, we can divide by any non-zero things. So I am dividing each term by a. So this is divided by a, this divided by a, this is also divided by a. So what you are going to have? X square plus b upon ax plus c upon a. Now children, if suppose we this equate it to 0, okay, then this becomes a quadratic equation. Am I right? Now to this children, see what we are going to do is, this is the middle term. मिडल टर्म है ना, उसको डिवाइड बाय 2 के उसका स्क्वायर ऐड करने का. See, normally how it is, you have say x plus y the whole square. What is the full form? X square plus 2xy plus y square. Am I right?
Yes, miss.
So in this children, middle term, say last term लेने का है. Suppose I want y square. So I am going to divide it. This 2x has to be divided. So dear, you have to divide the middle term by 2 and then you are going to add the square of it in the other. Just show it to you. Observe this. X square plus b upon ax plus b upon a divided by 2. That is b upon 2a the whole square. Now children, this particular term I am adding, so I need to subtract it also, otherwise I am changing the value, which is not allowed. So b upon 2a the whole square I am adding and subtract. Of course ये जो last term है वो c upon है, वो तो ऐसा ही है. What I did, जो middle term है उसको 2 से divide करके उसका square किया. So this will become a perfect square ना now. So what this will be x plus b upon 2a the whole square. Open the bracket, you can check it. X square plus 2a b plus b the whole square. Check it. So x square plus 2 will get cancelled. So you have x b upon a, right? See, you have got b upon a and plus b upon 2a the whole square, right? So this is what we do. So what to do it to get the last term, we are dividing by 2 and then making the square of it. So what normally where a square plus 2ab plus b square we have na this one. So if you divide by 2 and then you make a square of it, you will get the last term. So that is what exactly it is done here. Okay, so we have done this. So what we got is x plus b upon a, 2a will come, b upon 2a the whole square minus, now this I have done, this 3 term becomes the square of this, minus b ka square is b square, 2a का square will become 2 का square is 4 and this is a square, and of course plus c upon a, this is there. I don't do anything with that. Okay. So after this जस्ट टेक द एलसीएम. यहाँ पे 4a स्क्वायर है और यहाँ पे a है. सो आई हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस बाय 4 and a. So I will multiply denominator, I have to multiply the numerator also. So it will be x, this 2a x plus b upon 2a the whole square as it is. Now plus minus b square. I will take minus only common, वहाँ पे माइनस कर दूंगी फिर ये कॉमन हो जाएगा. हाँ, सो b स्क्वायर अभी यहाँ पे माइनस कर दूँ तो फिर क्या होगा, माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा. b square minus 4ac the whole upon 4a square. Is it clear? I have taken the LCM and LCM came out to be 4a square. As here I am having minus and here I am having plus sign. तो सेंटर में मैंने माइनस लिखा है. So this will be plus and this will be minus. So minus into minus will become plus as it is given here. Alright. So this is equal to 0. So what does it mean? X plus b upon 2a the whole square is equal to, I am shifting this term here. तो ये माइनस है ना, वहाँ पे लेके आऊँगी तो ये पूरा टर्म प्लस बन जाएगा. So b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Now as it is square, I take square root of it. So what you will have, square root. So x plus b upon 2a is equal to square root of b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. Right? Taking square root on both the sides. Huh? So I have taken the square root. When I am taking the square root, obviously you are going to have plus and minus sign, isn't it? So what does it mean? It means that x plus b upon 2a is equal to plus b square minus 4ac. And children, I can take a square root of this as 2a, 4 का स्क्वायर रूट 2, a स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर रूट a. तो मैं पूरे में क्यों लिखूँ, उसी ऊपर लिखूँ, इसका तो स्क्वायर रूट निकलता है तो मैंने निकाल दिया. और x प्लस b अपॉन 2a इज माइनस b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac अपॉन 2a. सो व्हाट विल बी x? x will be, इसको x यहाँ पे, इसको यहाँ पे ट्रांसफर कर दो. सो x will be माइनस b अपॉन 2a. यहाँ पे भी माइनस b अपॉन 2a. दिस विल बी योर x. नाउ 2a दोनों के डिनोमिनेटर में, तो आई कैन टेक द एलसीएम. सो व्हाट x विल बिकम, x इज इक्वल टू, मैं इसको फर्स्ट लिखती हूँ. तो माइनस b plus square root of b square minus 4ac the whole upon 2a. इसके upon में 2a, इसके upon में 2a, दो whole upon 2a. और
will come no b plus minus
and x is equal to minus b. ये minus b तो है ही. And now here this is minus sign, minus square root of b square minus 4ac the whole upon 2a. So children, ultimately whenever we are solving any quadratic equation, basically we are finding out the value of x na. So value of x, this is in the form of directly formula. So you will get the roots. So these are the roots. X ke do other, because it is a quadratic equation. So two answers will come. So one will be this and one will be this. Right? We call this part as alpha and we call this part as beta. If alpha and beta are the two roots, then alpha can be written as minus b plus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus square root of 4ac upon 2a. All right. So what is here? If we have
So
plus
the
x,
second right
so that
question.
means alpha is bigger than beta, and alpha is this if alpha is lesser than beta. Okay. So now onwards, children, instead of doing the factorization, now we are quite comfortable with the factorization. Now we will use this directly formula. This is called as the method of using formula. Formula ही आ गया, बस जो भी तुम्हारा इक्वेशन है उसमें a b से फाइंड कर लो, उसकी वैल्यू लिख दो और फिर इसके फॉर्मूला में डाल दो, ऑटोमेटिकली डायरेक्टली यू आर गोइंग टू गेट द रूट्स. So today we are going to practice the sums based on this. So always children, what is must here, ये जो है ना b square minus 4ac, उसको आपको फर्स्ट फाइंड आउट करना पड़ता है. That has to be found first and then only you can go ahead. Okay, so let us start with practice set 2.4. So children, just write down these two formulae. This is called as the method of using formula. So now we will be.
But miss, we can't write like this. Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Miss, we can't write like this, that minus plus minus.
Will do. तो एक ही में हो जाएगा directly, no problem. So you wanted to say this way, that's it ना. So we need not say then alpha and beta together. So इसमें ही आ गए दो. But I wanted to show alpha differently, beta differently, so I did this in this manner. So you understand what is alpha. Alpha is one root and beta is another root. Otherwise you can write this way, no problem. And I hope everybody has written this. Yeah. Now we'll start with practice at 2.4. First question. Compare the given quadratic equation to the general form and write the values of A, B, C. See, we are beginners, so we will start with the very basic things. A, B और C क्या है quadratic equation. So what is your work? पहले तो ना उसको standard form में लेके आने का, अगर नहीं है तो. Once you bring it into standard form, then you are going to compare it with the standard equation and you can find out the value of A, B and C. So let us do that. Practice set 2.4. Question number 1. Ka first one. X square minus 7x plus 5 equal to 0. Now comparing the equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Can you tell me what will be a, b and c? Just compare it. A is 1 because
A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 7.
minus 7. See, x
Equals
is
to
a
5.
number along with the sign you are going to write down. So we don't have 7, we have minus 7. So minus 7 and c is equal to 5. Alright. Now go to the second one. 2m square is equal to 5m minus 5. So first we'll bring it in the standard form. 2m square, फिर ये 5m को यहाँ पे लेकर तो that will become 5 minus 5m. This minus 5 will become plus 5. Okay, and right hand side 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now children, As here the variable is m, you can write down m also, you can write down x also. Textbook, in the textbook they are using x, even though the variable m is there, they are using x, so no problem if you use it, nobody is going to cut your marks. You can check on page number 40, first solved example. In that they have done the comparison where m is the variable, they have compared with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So even I am also writing ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay. So now do the comparison and let me know the value of a, b and c. जो भी वेरिएबल का स्क्वायर के साथ में that is a part, that is 2. इसके साथ में है
minus 5
very good,
equals to 5.
and c is 5, very good. Third one, y square is equal to 7y. So when we do bring it here, minus 7y. Children, can I write plus 0 equal to 0? Because ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, na? Okay, so that's why I am writing here 0, because nothing is there as a constant term. So comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, what you will have? A equal to, b equal to,
1
and c equal to, yes, a is 1, very good. B,
minus 7
correct. And the challenging
0
thing is c,
0.
correct. C is 0, constant term is not there, so you can write down as 0. So that is over. First question over. Now we'll move towards the solving, which using the formula. So see, first step for solving part is always to find out A, B and C. ये करने का है. After that, what you will do? You will find out b square minus 4ac. Now children, why we are doing it? We know in the formula it was minus b plus or minus x square minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon b. तो स्क्वायर रूट करने का है तो उसका एक पहले से उतना ही पार्ट सॉल्व करेंगे तो सम विल बिकम इजी. Okay, step by step we can do. So we will prefer that method only. First we will find out b square minus 4ac and then only we will use the formula. So let us come to question number 2 now. We have x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. We have x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0. Is it in a standard form? First check that yes, it is in a standard form. So comparing with, always you have to write down a standard form. Comparing the equation with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What we will get? A equal to, b equal to and c equal to. A is 1.
A is equals to 1.
B equal to 6.
B is equals
C
to
equal
6.
to 5. So once you do this, then you have to find out therefore b square minus 4ac. This part you have to find out first. So b ka square, that means 6 ka square minus 4. What is a? A is 1 and c is 5. Right? So first always do the squaring part. So it becomes 36 minus 4 5s are 20. So 36 minus 20, 16. Okay? Got this? So once you get it, now you are going to write down in the formula. What formula we have? X is equal to minus b. If you want, you can write out both together, plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac अपॉन 2a. ये फॉर्मूला हो गया, राइट? तो माइनस बी, माइनस अभी b क्या है? 6. चिल्ड्रन, यहाँ पे जब b माइनस होता है ना तो कंफ्यूजन हो जाता है. So with that time it will become minus of minus 6. So that will become plus. Okay, so be careful if you get b minus -1. We will be solving the sums. Do not worry. So just warning you. Now b square minus 4 इसे पूरा कैलकुलेट नहीं करा, हम लोग ने कैलकुलेट करके रखा है. What is the answer you got? 16. So we can directly put 16. Okay, upon 2. And what is a? A is 1. So what we will have?
minus 6 plus minus 4.
Minus 6 plus or minus square root of 16 is 4 and the whole upon 2 into 1 is 2. So this is your x is equal to. So now I can separate. Now it's a time that I can now separate. So what will be x? X will be minus 6 plus 4 or minus 4 upon 2. So x is equal
Please
to
don't rub
minus
that
6
second one
plus
from
4
second one.
upon 2 or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4 upon 2. तो देखो, एक बार हम लोग ने प्लस 4 किया, दूसरी बार हम लोग ने माइनस 4 किया. So this is how we are going to get the two roots. Okay, please children do not do the cancellation. Cancellation नहीं, 2 2 से 4 मत करना. यहाँ पे एडिशन साइन है. कैंसिलेशन कब होता है? व्हेन यू हैव अ मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन, दैट टाइम ओनली. ओके, सो एड इट. minus 6 plus 4 is minus 2 upon 2 or x is equal to minus 6 minus 4. So that comes out to be minus 10 upon 2. Now you can do the cancellation because there is no plus sign anywhere. So now